sync slicer. So first slicer, just select a slicer and add the country. Now let's see if I select slicer India, it's India. Here it will not change, like the average is this. Here it's changing, but here it's still 87. Here it's still 87, it's not changing. You can see again, here is change, here is not changing. So in order to change in the first page, I just use a sync slicer. I select this. Now I select both. Now let's say if I select India, it's showing 0.93 for India. If it's Italy, it will change to 89. Yeah. So it's called sync slicer. If I change something in page 2, it will automatically change in page 1 because I select this tick. I can also be visible the slicer to page 1. Yeah, but I don't want to